So good evening friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be reviewing my LS2 MX701 series carbon series helmet, which is basically a dual sport adventure helmet. And actually have unboxed it already, and so inside the box, the carton box that comes with it, there is this bag, and then there are certain accessories those come with the helmet, which are like the manual and the warranty registry. The warranty is there for, I guess, 5 years. Then there are some reflectors that we can place on the helmet, and you can see here how they have also mentioned how do you put it. Then some additional spares are given, which I'll show you here. I mean, we can actually remove the these Explorer what I say visor supports, I guess. These are the tools and extra screws that we would require. This is there to remove the beak that's there on the helmet. So what we can do is we can remove the beak and use it naked also. The naked version is mostly for the highway purpose. So these are all the accessories that we get. We also get a pin lock visor, which actually comes with the helmet itself. Then inside the bag, if you can see, there is again one more bag that comes with it. And here you see the helmet. So with regards to this helmet, it is a very lightweight helmet, and if you can see here, it's the LS2 Carbon Explorer Plus helmet. It comes with a ECE 22.6 2206 rating, and it weighs approximately 1500 grams, and it is also ISI certified, which is a requirement for the Indian market. Then as you can see here, you have a pin lock installed on the visor already. Then there is a lock for the visor, and you also get a kind of dark goggles which are inbuilt in it. So this is a very pretty light helmet, sturdy, and it has a very good build quality. It has vents. This is a chin vent. Then it has vents on both the sides, on the top. So this is a very well ventilated helmet. It has like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 I guess 7 vents in total. And there are certain drawbacks. I mean, if you are touring, you surely would be using a Sena or cardo system. So there are certain things that people don't tell you about this helmet. Now coming to the drawbacks of this helmet. So if you can see, there are no dedicated speaker pockets for your intercom speakers. So I had to make certain adjustments to install them, and I had installed it. Also, the mount that comes with the clip-on mount, actually that comes with your Sena or your cardo system. So it is not going to fix to the shape of this helmet, since here the shell is like this thick. So when the clip goes inside, it doesn't clamp back, and that is the issue I had faced. So I had to stick this mount using a 3M tape. A lot of R&D was required because it doesn't actually stick properly. So I'll just put on the Sena on this, and yeah, here you go. So this is how it actually looks, and then there are not a lot of drawbacks, but yeah, these are 2 or 3 drawbacks, if you could say. Also, I liked this color a lot. I mean, the black, the carbon finish look, the glossy look that comes on it is really premium. Yeah, that's about it. And yeah, one more thing I wanted to show you is the padding on this helmet. It is of a very premium quality. I mean, yeah, you would expect a helmet of this price point to have it a premium, this one, but as compared to other helmets that I had tried, this is actually quite premium. Also, one more thing, these are removable padding. Just in case of an accident, to remove the helmet, you have to pull it from both the sides, so the helmet padding will detach itself from the helmet shell, and the helmet can be removed easily. It also has a double D-ring locking type system. Yeah, I know it is kind of a pain to wear and remove it, but it is a much safer mechanism than the clip-on mechanism that we usually get in the other helmets. So yeah, that's about it. So in case you liked anything, in this vlog, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe karo. And soon we'll be leaving on a ride. अभी कहाँ जाएंगे वो तो टाइम आने पे ही पता चलेगा. So see you soon. Bye.